The value of share of finalyunderstand.com is 35/9/32. What is the value in decimal form? So we need to change this fraction to decimal form, and we need to round to the nearest thousandth. So first, let me copy our mixed number. We have 35/9/32. When we have mixed number, with whole number we always copy. So we need to only change fraction 9/32 to decimal number. So how we do this? We divide numerator by denominator. We'll use long division. Our divisor is 32, 9, because we cannot put 32 to 9, so 9 is whole number. After 9 we can write decimal point, and we will add extra zeros because we need to round to thousandth. So this is tenth, hundredth, thousandth, and because we need to round, we add one digit after thousandth. So we need 4 digits after decimal point to round to thousandth. And so let's do long division. 9 divided 32 is 0, of course. 0 times 32 is 0. Subtraction 9 minus 0 is 9. We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column and take down next digit. So we have 90 divided by 32 is 2. 2 times 32 is 64. Subtraction. We have to borrow 1 from 9, so it will be 8. And we have 10 at the end. 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So next we have to take down next digit. So it will be 260 divided by 32. So it will be 8. 8 times 32, it will be 256. Subtraction. So it will be 4. We will borrow 1 from 6, so it will be 5, and we will have 10 at the end. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. We don't have to write. We take down next digit, and we have 4 divided by 32 is 1. 1 times 32 is 32. Subtraction, and we have 40 minus 32 is 8. We take down next digit. We have 80 divided by 32 is 2. 2 times 32 is 64. So 80 minus 64. So we will borrow 1 from 8. So it will be 7 and 10. So it will be 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And we didn't finish long division. Our remainder is different than 0, but we have 4 digits after decimal point, and because we have to round our solution to the nearest thousandth is enough. We don't have to do long division anymore. And we can rewrite that 35/9/32 is approximately equal, because we didn't finish long division, so we have to write approximately symbol. Whole number is 35. We copy decimal point, and wherever we got after decimal point on the top, now a quotient, so it's 28. So this is my solution.